What's up, people? Fat hair day. Yeah. So it's 70 degrees here in Michigan, and I've been outside all day. I 100% need a shower. But before I get to that, look what just got here. My GoPro. Hard drive, it might be. There's the shorty, so I can give you guys some better content. This is the shorty. It's kind of the tripod that you guys are sitting on right now on my other camera. I was gonna say I don't want to destroy this box. Just open it from the other side. The shorty. Well, they ain't kidding, are they? That Bad Mammer Jammer is adorable. Look at that. That's so cute. Just screws right in right there. Bam, put the GoPro in. Screw it in. Good to go. I know a lot of you guys are like, you should have went with the EJ3 or whatever they're called. Or there's a bunch of different stuff out there. I went with the GoPro because I just... the picture quality just looked better. And I'm not going to be switching out attachments that often. So the quick release or quick connect is an attachment that you can definitely get with the GoPro. You can put it on the bottom of the GoPro anyway. So it wasn't that big of a deal. That's an add-on I can always get later. But what else did we get here? This looks like the suction cup. This one's pretty straightforward. I don't think I have to show you guys this, but I'm going to. Oh, wow. It came right out of there. There's some of the quick connects that go with it. A couple on this side too. Just some instructions how to put it together. This piece that you need to clip the stuff on. But here is suction cup. Nothing crazy. Wow, everything feels like good. If that makes sense to you guys, like, you know how sometimes like you feel plastic and it just feels chintzy? This does not feel like that. This feels like some good stuff. Some of you are like, get to the GoPro already. All right, this is a chesty. So obviously, the name of it, it's pretty self-explanatory what this is used for. The chesty, the attachments that go with it, obviously. Oh, it goes this way. So there's that. There it is. And obviously you just put it around your shoulders and under your arms and pop the camera on there. Oh, sorry, this way. Good to go. So that's the chesty. This is the disc. I went with the biggest one they had available, the 256 gigabyte. But probably, you know, still only holds nothing. And this is the bad boy right here. This is the bells and whistles, people. The bells and whistles. Oh my goodness, and it comes with a nice case. Oh. Of course it comes with a nice case. Do you have any idea how much this crap is? There it is. The GoPro 12 Black. Right there. Special bundle. That's why I got this one. Because it comes with the headpiece and a handheld device. And it comes with, I believe, 2 batteries. Head strap, 2.0 camera case, special bundle. It comes with, yeah, it tells you right here on the back what it comes with. Oh no, that just tells you what it does. Oh, here it is. So the charger, this is what it comes with. And then this is the special case, so these are also included. So you get the case, the head strap, the extra handle, and an extra battery. So it comes with 2 of these batteries. And these batteries do last a long time. I've seen plenty of reviews online. So I'm stoked about that. Peel it off right here. This is satisfying also, by the way. Just want to dive right in and get going. So hopefully this gives you guys some better content. Oh, look at that. That's sharp. Ready to listen to this? Oh, that's fantastic. Oh, this handle's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, it's foam. I think this floats, if I'm not mistaken. I think this floats. That's cool. So if you're near water or doing stuff with water, and well, you already know what this is. So the charging cable, 2 batteries. This is a sticky, so you can put that on one of the stands or whatever you call them to hold it. This is for the headpiece to mount on your face. Yeah, cool. Let's check out the camera as I keep putting it back. I'm so scared I don't want to drop it. Here it is, baby. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. Apparently you need to have it updated. Oh, I forgot one other thing too. I subscribe to this, so I'm also a GoPro member. It also has an app for GoPro. You can literally do everything. You can do all your edits right on your phone. You can upload. You can start on your phone and then, or you can start on your GoPro and then finish on your phone. Yeah, there's tons of cool things about this GoPro. But I think that's one of the things that a lot of the companies are doing now too. But that's it, most of it right there. Yeah, I'm super stoked. Looking forward to using it for sure. Can't wait to show you guys what it looks like, what it sounds like. Oh, speaking of sound, why is this going in so tight? So one of the cool things that I liked about the GoPro, also, why I went with it, is because it's compatible with your earbuds. So like if you have Beats or if you have AirPods like I do, you can use them as a microphone. And I seen the reviews on YouTube and it sounds pretty good. I mean, obviously it's not anything crazy like a Rode or something like that, but those are quite expensive in themselves. But it's definitely awesome because I have AirPods that also dual as microphones, which is phenomenal because they're doop doop, and then they're already connected to the GoPro. So I seen a guy driving a car and he had the camera on the outside and he was on the inside. He was still recording and it sounded just fine. Also, somebody was riding a bike down the street and it was, you could hear them. And then he did a comparison without the headphones and it was just him going down the street talking to the mic and all you could hear was wind noise. So it was really cool to see where technology is going these days. But this thing is going to be awesome to use, you guys. I'm so stoked. I'm super excited. My buddy James pushed me towards it. He's like, dude, you should get a GoPro. And I looked into it and I was like, dude, why don't we? Because now we can have chest piece and head pieces and all this awesome stuff. And it's going to be really cool. And I don't know if I'm going to... No, I'll put that on a different video. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. I just kind of wanted to show you what I was doing. Please leave the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Check out some more lawn care stuff. I did a really big landscape job the last couple of days. If you want to see my 2024 setup for the lawn care season, click on this video right here. If you want to subscribe to the channel, click right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.